If you've come across Moxlena online, you might be wondering one thing. Is Moxlena actually legit? Or is it another website you should avoid? That's what we're looking at today. First, Moxlena has been getting attention online. But here's the problem. There isn't enough strong, independent information available to confidently say that Moxlena is completely trustworthy. And that's something I would take seriously. When I'm checking an unfamiliar website, I look at a few things: customer reviews, company information, contact details, return policies, and, most importantly, whether real customers have had good experiences. A professional-looking website alone doesn't prove anything. That's where many shoppers get caught. A site can look perfect and still have problems behind the scenes. So should you buy from Moxlena? My answer right now would be proceed with caution. I'm not saying Moxlena is definitely a scam, but I also wouldn't say it's fully proven and trustworthy based on the information I could verify. If you're thinking about placing an order, check the return policy first. Look for independent customer reviews, and avoid payment methods that give you little or no buyer protection. Also, don't rush because of a limited time discount. Take a few minutes to research first. So, is Moxlena legit or a scam? At this point, I'd say the evidence is not strong enough to give it a clear thumbs up. Do your research before spending your money.